Hi, this is Dr. Rukmani Chaudhary and you are watching Dr. Rukmani's Health Update. So in today's video, I'll be talking about R21 Dr. Rekvek German Homeopathic Medicine. So in today's video, I will be discussing everything about this medicine, like what is the medicine name, what are the medicine combination and medicine's benefit, what are the doses, in what condition you can use this medicines, from the medicine cost, MRP about this medicine. So let's start. If you're watching for the first time, please like and share our videos. If you're new on channel, you can press the bell icon to get notified and subscribe our channel for the more update. About the medicine name first, the medicine is R21 Dr. Rekvek. It is a homeopathic medicine. Right? So this is 21, the medicine's name, and the medicine name is Reconstitution Drops. It is written Reconstitution Drops. So this medicine is given. Let's talk about the indication. Indication means problem you can use this medicine. See, if you are having any skin problem, any blood related problem, getting relieved by any sort of treatment, so this is given for that purpose. Means you are taking treatment for the skin problem, for psoriasis, for eczema, and you are not getting any results. So in that case, this is given. This is Reconstitution Drops. In means if you are having any error in your blood, if you are having an error in your skin healing system, this improves your immune system, your vitality, and in a way this gives you better result for all the skin suppressed problem. About the medicines combination, what other medicine are mixed for a better result. See, if you find any medicines in drop form, any medicine that resemble your case, you can your symptoms, so you can use that medicine separately, because in homeopathy single medicine always works a better way. If your medicine is Madurinum, Madurinum in homeopathy is given when you have suppressed gonorrhea, means you are having gonorrhea and you have suppressed it. So this comes in a problem. So it is believed that if you have internal problem and you are not curing those problems, you are suppressing those problems for any sort of treatment, so that can the outcome can be on your skin. So always remember that. So in that case, if you have suppressed gonorrhea, you can use Madurinum and it is mixed in the medicine. Soranum. You might have heard about Soranum. That Soranum is the very good medicine in homeopathy that is given in the psoriasis cases. If you are having psoriasis cases and you are having filthy odor, bad smell, you're having cysts, you're having boils, and you're having, the main indication of Soranum is that you're having filthy or odorous discharge. So in that case, you can use Soranum. Thuja, again, you might have heard about Thuja, that Thuja is given in the wart cases, in mole cases, but Thuja is also given in eczema cases. When you have eczema, wet eczema means you're having eczema specifically of your scalp and you're having charge with the eczema. So in that case, you can use Thuja. Vaccininum. See, Vaccininum in the medicine, in homeopathy is the medicine when you have bad effect of vaccines. So after bad effect of vaccines, you can use vaccine. Cost and medicines manufactured and expired. See, medicines price can always vary from time to time. So it is always better to check. Medicines cost is 250 rupees. Medicine manufacturing is August 2020. So it is written over here. If you're watching on YouTube, medicines link are given on the description box, so you can buy medicine from there. It is written that this is a homeopathic medicine, so you can find this medicine only on homeopathic pharmacy, homeopathic store, homeopathic doctor clinic, not on general medicine and general pharmacy store, only on homeopathic online to use medicines. It is written that it is written 3 times a day, 10 or 15 drops in some water. So medicine dose can vary from case to case. If your case is mild, moderate, you can use minimum dose. If your case is severe, you can use a heavier dose. So see, this is in the liquid form. So you can start 5 or 10 drops in some water and you can mix and you can have in twice or thrice in a day. And before try to use medicine before meal. If you are not able to have, you can even use medicine after 30 minutes of having meal. So this way you can use your medicine. Once you start feeling better, you are not supposed to discontinue medicine all of a sudden. Just taper down, just decrease the doses of the medicine and discontinue that way, so you don't have any after effects, any bad effects of the medicine, have any withdrawal symptom. Discuss all about the medicine. Hopefully these video can help you. If you find these video informative, knowledgeable, please like or share our videos, and you can find all the updated videos on our channel. We have created playlists for different videos, like we have for these draw form medicines, for the disease video, skin problem, GIT problem, all the playlists we have updated, and we have put end screen on the videos end, so you can press on them for the further detailed information. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.